you get to a point in your career and your life where you basically value your time. You put a dollar value on your time, and that's the reason why I like to try to equate it to this, because to me that's very important. How's it going? It's Rocky. Welcome to week 32 of our journey trading the equity index futures market, specifically the Dow Jones Industrial Average, which is the YM. What I have up in the chart is the weekly chart for the YM, where each candlestick here represents 1 hour. And you can also see here the different trades I've taken. The things you see on red is when I sell, and things that you see on green is when I buy. And what I'll do here is I'll turn on the vertical lines, and the vertical lines is something that I draw manually. And the reason I do this is so I can go back later and study the trades I took. I'll look at, of course, when I entered, which I denote by this blue line. And based on why I entered, I look at the indicators and where I use stochastic RSI and the MACD just to go back and see, all right, why exactly did I enter? Why was it a good entry? Why was it a bad entry? So that kind of habit will actually help you become a better trader. And just looking from a high level here, bird's eye view on the week, you can see that I took just 2 trades that were negative. The first trade was right here. That's the first one that was negative. And then the second one was right here. Kind of harder to see. So really a total of 2 losses from all of our trades this week. And we'll just go through straight to the statement to show you exactly how I did. However, if you're curious about more of my trading entries and exits, I do have the description below on my rules per se, if you needed something to base your trading on. And also I do some examples on my YouTube channel. And if you go through the live tab right here, so live is right here, and if you click on that, you will see different type of videos that I've done that I try to do at the end of the US market, where I give examples of some of my entries and some of my exits. Now let's go through our account statement, and the main reason I do this is to show you what is realistic based on the size of account that I have, and also more of a transparency, which not a lot of traders do on the YouTube world, just to show you my ups and downs and the reality of what it's like for someone who's a average or below average retail trader like myself. So I'm recording this on Friday, August 11th. It's almost 5 p.m. in the Pacific Coast, and basically the statement goes from this past Sunday, August 6th, to today, Friday, August 11th. Now we'll go through this description here just to point out that I did not make any deposits or withdrawal this week. So it's actually pretty straightforward on how we're going to calculate or show you exactly how I did for the week. Now let's actually calculate how we did for the week. Our ending cash is $28,084.12. And we will subtract our starting cash, which was $26,449.52. So for the week, I am glad to say for 2 weeks in a row, we're back in the positive, and we made a profit of $1,634.60. It's not enough to pay my bills, but it's still in the right direction of where I need to go, where I need to earn money every week. So just as equivalent, an hourly rate in the US, divide that by 40 hours, that would have been an hourly rate of $40.87. And the reason that I always bring up hourly rate is so it's something that you can basically relate to if you do have either a salary job, a 9-to-5 hourly job, or if you are a 1099 employee or an entrepreneur, where really you get to a point in your career and your life where you basically value your time. You put a dollar value on your time, and that's the reason why I like to try to equate it to this, because to me that's very important. And next, because we all have different trading accounts, I like to do the ROI also, so a percentage on the return on investment. So for the week, we again made $1,634.60, and you'll divide that by our starting cash, which was $26,449.52, and let's just multiply that by 100. That was a respectable 6.18%. So if I could compound this every week and continue to do this, again, my goal is about 10% every week, and hopefully we can get our account back to a higher value. We're knocking on 30,000 again, which is nice, but I just need a bit more cushion here because I need to make withdrawals to pay the bills. Anyway, thanks for joining my journey and checking out my content. I do appreciate those who've been following me for a while now, and those who maybe have just found my channel recently. And like what I've mentioned, I am not selling any courses. There's no secret Discord or anything of that nature. I share it because it helps me as a trader to grow by sharing my journey. And of course, my YouTube is monetized. I've been pretty public about that. So whatever I do get from AdSense because of your support, that's a bit of income for me as well. Anyway, thank you again. You have a good weekend. I will see you on the next one. All right, have a good one.